How to integrate Microsoft Excel with OpenAI. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to cover. How to integrate Microsoft Excel with OpenAI ChatGPT to leverage AI-powered formulas. So without further ado, let's dive in. Let's go to our search bar right here. Click on Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software widely used for data analysis and calculations, while OpenAI's GPT is a cutting-edge language model capable of generating human-like text. By integrating these two technologies, you can enhance your Excel formula with AI-generated suggestions and automate complex calculations. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of integrating Microsoft Excel with OpenAI, including installing the necessary plugins, setting up integration, and using AI-generated formulas. So here, let's click on New Blank Workbook. Let's just wait for it to load. And in this part right here, this is the final or blank sheet, new sheet of our Microsoft Excel. So you want to do is go to this left part right here. Beside the home button is the insert button right here. So let's click on insert. So once you're in here, hover to the right side and find add-ins. So click on add-ins. So here, there are lots of applications or plugins that we can add in order for us to generate or add a formula generator to our Microsoft Excel. So let's try in Formula Bot. So as you can see here, Formula Bot AI Data Prep, so revolutionize your data and spreadsheet workflow with AI. So here, we will gonna be using AI-aided formula editor. This is a GPT-4 powered AI features like formula generation and explanation built in a modern formula editor. So let's click on add, agree, and continue. So once we're in here, AI-aided formula editor is now right here. So let's close this one. For preferences, these are the preferences that we will be using for features. Console, so this sheet, let's try an AI generation right here. Describe your formula. So here, let's go to ChatGPT. Log in. I'm not a fan of using Microsoft Excel, but for this one, we're gonna be using. Or if you don't know how to utilize on using Microsoft Excel, you can use the ChatGPT to create a formula for you. So here, let's go to ChatGPT and let's try to Excel formula for let's think of a formula that we'll be using for inventory. Add a product, cost, and left item. So this is just an example. So here, so you can see, let's just copy this one. Copy this, go back to this Microsoft Excel and type in. Let's paste it right here. Let's go back. Here, paste our, so it's not copying, it's copy, paste right here, hit enter, sign in our account first, accept. So in this part, guys, we can integrate our Microsoft Excel to its fullest. So close, paste it again. So as you can see right here, so here submit, and let's wait for it to generate. Let's click on submit again. So here you can see the sheets right here. So let's try and to add our data and informations. So let's click on submit. And now we have our formula right here. So if you add a new codes right here, like for the foods like meat, the numbers right here, and for the rice, that's right here, and this one, copy this here and hit enter. And now you can integrate it by using this generated sheet right here. And that's it, guys. We hope you find this tutorial helpful on how to integrate Microsoft Excel with OpenAI's ChatGPT Insight and help formulas. By leveraging a power of AI generated formulas, you can streamline your data analysis and calculations on Excel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insight and tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next video.